The price of one Mantra DAO/OM coin right now is $0.6932. In the past 24 hours, it has lost 0.89% of its value. The price of OM ended higher than it started 50.88% of the time. One OM has ever been worth the most, which was $0.7723 5 days ago. The price is now minus 10.25% lower than that high point. There are 17 technical indicators, and 12 of them say to buy or sell. Based on technical price analysis, the short-term prediction mood is bullish. The first big uptrend resistance for OM is at $0.8566. It needs to finish above that level to keep going up. The bottom support for the trend is at $0.6192. We could see the price drop even more if it falls below $0.6192. If it can close above $0.8566, on the other hand, it can go up to the next level of support at $0.9220. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the last 14 days is now at 41.01, which means that the market is not oversold or overvalued. In the same way, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the weekly chart is at 39.03, which also shows that the market is acting normally. Exponential moving averages show a strong sign on the daily chart. All of the 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day EMAs are above the price of Mantra DAO right now. OM's price was above the starting price 1 out of every 3 times in the past, and it was below the price at the beginning of the month 2 out of every 3 times. In each of the last 5 years, February has been the best month for Mantra DAO. 3 times as much OM was worth at the end of February than it was at the beginning of the month. November is the worst month because the price at the end of the month is 3 times as low as the price at the beginning of the month. For more information, look at monthly results. Mantra DAO had 2 bull runs. The first one started in August 2020 and ended in August 2021. It took about 126.04 days for the price to drop to its lowest point of $0.0578 before the next bull run began. Since August 2020, it took about a year to hit a new all-time high. There have been 1,113 days since the last bull run in March 2021. Our Mantra DAO price estimate says that the price of OM could reach $0.7068 in the next 10 days. In the long term, we think that the price will be $1.48 in 2025 and $2.92 in 2030. Taking all of these past highs and shorter-term predictions into account, the estimate for 2040 is $9.23. I think the price of Mantra DAO will be $1.48 in 2025. That's the highest price we think OM will go to, and the lowest price we think it will go to is $1.08.